Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the auto match settings in manager mode of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And let's get started by tapping the play button. Tap the manager mode and this one. Tap it the auto. So this is the auto match settings, because in manager mode is fully autoplay mode. You can set up your starting lineup, choose your tactic and start the match. And with this one you can queue up multiple match in auto match setting. And you can choose from different filter like this. If the select stop condition, the match will stop. If daily match will reach, you can tap this one, check this box, and also if point reach in specific number or if division reach, you can stop the match, and it's make you easier. And once you've set your desired setting, you can queue up continuous match, and that means that once you complete a manager mode match, a countdown will automatically trigger. After countdown finish, you will enter a new match, and it keeps going on. It keeps on going until you either reach your chosen settings. For example, you are going to reach to Pro Division, or until you cancel the countdown. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.